Ever wonder how tiny ants pull off such amazing teamwork without a boss yelling orders? We are bighomeprojects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities. And here, understanding the social structures within an ant colony reveals how these tiny insects work together to survive and thrive. Number 1. The queen ant is the heart of the colony, laying thousands of eggs and sending out pheromones that keep workers in line and focused. She doesn't boss them around, but influences the whole colony with chemical signals that maintain order and growth. Number 2. Worker ants are the real multitaskers. They split into subgroups like minors and majors, each handling different jobs like foraging, nursing larvae, or defending the nest. This specialization means every task gets done efficiently without confusion. Number 3. Drones are the male ants whose only job is to mate with queens during nuptial flights. They don't help with any other colony work and usually die soon after, but their role is crucial for keeping the colony's genetics strong. Number 4. Ant colonies have a clear social hierarchy maintained through pheromones, not fights. The queen stays on top, workers have ranks based on their roles, and this chemical communication keeps everything running smoothly without wasted energy. Number 5. Communication happens mostly through chemical trails and signals. Workers lay down scent paths to food or danger, and sometimes use vibrations or touch to share info. This system lets them coordinate complex tasks without a leader shouting orders. Number 6. Nest building is a team effort where workers maintain and expand tunnels to keep the colony safe and comfortable. They adjust the nest's temperature and humidity and repair damage, showing how every little job adds up to a strong home. Number 7. Workers can switch tasks when needed, like focusing more on foraging if food is scarce. This flexibility helps the colony survive changing conditions without chaos and keeps everything balanced. If you want your home projects to run as smoothly as an ant colony, visit bighomeprojects.com to find trusted contractors who specialize in exactly what you need, with clear communication and reliability that keeps your project on track.